I love making videos. I love entertaining people. All 4 or 5 that watched it back then. 99,000 subscribers off of 400 million.
We're going to see if the highest jumper in the world can jump higher than a tiger.
World record. Can he do it? You're levitating. My schedule is literally planned down to a minute. I got to get there, go, and do the next thing, the next thing, the next thing, the next thing, the next thing.
We're on set of one of Jimmy's most expensive videos. He's giving away this private jet that's worth over $2 million.
If he goes another 100 days, I'll give him $500,000.
No.
Are you doing another 100 days, or do you want to go hang out with your family? It was a miracle.